Introducing the Cuisinart DGB 900BC Grind and Brew Thermal 12-Cup Automatic Coffee Maker. This coffee maker is fully programmable for your convenience, with a 24-hour timer and auto shutoff feature. It also has a brew pause function, allowing you to sneak a cup mid-brew, and a grind-off function for when you want to use pre-ground coffee. The double-wall insulated stainless steel thermal carafe can hold up to 12 cups of coffee, and it comes with a comfort grip handle for easy pouring. But that's not all. This coffee maker also has a built-in automatic burr grinder with an 8-ounce bean hopper. It can hold up to a half pound of beans, and you can adjust the grind control and strength selector to customize your coffee's intensity and volume. To ensure the freshest flavor, this coffee maker includes a charcoal water filter and a permanent gold tone filter. It also comes with a measuring scoop and an instruction book for easy setup and troubleshooting. Please note that this product is built to North American electrical standards, so compatibility may vary internationally. It's always best to check before purchasing. Experience the superior flavor and convenience of the Cuisinart DGB 900BC Grind and Brew Thermal 12-Cup Automatic Coffee Maker. Get yours today. Brand Story Text by Cuisinart.